Hi guys, this is another video from Dos Amigos team and my name is Arav and today I am going to show you how to clean your smartphone screen. So the things which you are going to need are tissues, cream and wet wipes. So first switch off the phone. Now the phone is switched off. Then put some cream on the phone screen. Before putting the cream on the screen of the phone, take a tissue and clean off the dirt. Now take a tissue and wipe off the cream. Now that you have wiped off the cream, take one wet wipe and wipe the screen's phone. Then again wipe it with a normal tissue. You have to do this 4 or 5 times. This is my 5th time. And your smartphone screen is totally clean. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our video. Ting tong!